Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today we are going to download the Python and how to run the Python program in our laptop. At first go to your browser, open your browser and type here download Python, then enter. Here we can see python.org website. Click here, then here is the download link for window. This is the for window. You have another operating system. Choose your operating system: Mac, Linux, Windows, other, and click on download Python 3.12.5 version. It is the latest version. Click here, and here is the download start now. Download successfully. Then go to your download file. Then here is the downloaded file, Python download file. After download, then double click this file. Then tick both this use admin pavilion and add python.exe to path is initialized. Then click on install now. Then yes, it will be install started. Now sometime it is completed. It takes some time for install. Yes, it is installed successfully. Then close this and go to your start button. Then type cmd, then enter. Then type here Python, then enter. Here is our Python 3.12.5 version is installed now. Then it is successfully installed. You can write your Python program in this command prompt. I just print hello. I print hello. Enter. It will be successfully run in my command prompt. We can also run Python program in VS Code. After checking the Python version, then we can run our Python program in VS Code. At first, go to open your VS Code, and then choose your folder. Then create a new file, just like it name post.py is extension of Python. Then enter click, and then we can write the program of hello, print hello. Then right here print hello. It is the program of Python to print hello. Then how to run this Python program in VS Code. Click on this run Python file. Here will be the output of hello, or you can also choose run the Python. Go to your terminal, a new terminal, then choose your file. Python. Then you can also type python space this is the syntax for run Python program. At first type Python, then your file name, then click on enter. This is the output of this program hello. Python program is successfully run in our computer. Thank you for watching.